So once I refresh it, okay, now you can see if I open any record in the new tab, okay, the browser tab title, you can see this will be changed ITSM training. Previous you can see training. Now this will change to ITSM training. Okay. So here also you can see ITSM training. This is the browser tab title. So if you want to change this logo, we need to go where basic configuration UI 16. So in this UI 16, we need to change the logo. As of now, not modified. You can change your company logo. Click the plus button and update your logo. Okay, as well as change the page header caption and browser tab title. Then click the save button. Okay, so and we can see we can see there are few menu all favorite history. Okay, so these we can see on the application navigator. Okay, so filter navigator is used to search anything, any application, any module in the platform. If you want to search, if you want to open, you need to use the all. All menu contains all the applications and modules. So how to identify the application and module means, see whenever you can see this expand or hide icon, the cap symbol, then that is the application. Below those are modules. Okay, modules are nothing but one page. It open one page or one form. Okay, so the next, for example, your work, daily work is like creating some incident or creating some problem, creating some change request. Okay, so every day you are work on creating change request. So you no need to go to all and you no need to type change request. You can make it as a bookmark. Once you made bookmark, it will visible on the favorites bar. Okay, so for this, so what you need to do on the change, okay, create a new, click this favorite option. Okay, click this favorite option. Once you click the star button, so it automatically added in your favorite list. Okay, so I can click it. Okay, so this will ask, do you want any other name? Okay, change request, create a new. Okay, change request. If I want to write change request, create a new. Okay, then click that done. So where you want to display, and the new custom group, new Apple group, these are the position. Above this position you want to add it, just you can mention. Okay, once you click on that one option, submit option, this will be added. Whether now you can see, yes, here change request, create a new button. Okay, so if you want to remove anything from your favorite, again click this one here, cross button, click it. This will ask remove. Okay, so for quick, you want to see your pages. Okay, your list you want to see immediately, you can add it and your favorite as a bookmark. Then next there is a history icon, so it will display what are the pages, okay, you opened. Okay, what are the pages you opened here. If you want to see, okay, you can use the this history button. So previously I opened create a change request to system incident, okay, and group member, okay, and access controls. Okay, so before 20 minutes ago I opened catalog item, 1 hour ago catalog items. Okay, So record producer, these things I opened. Okay. So before our session started. So we can see history. For example, immediately you open something, again you want to open it. No need to go all, use the history. Again, click this. For example, I want to open system configuration. No need to type it here. Already that is available on your history tab. Okay. For example, if you are working on any uh, workspace page, okay, then only you can use the workspace. Otherwise, this is not required. Okay. So this is about platform overview. Okay. Any question on here?
Well,
Okay. So
Anil,
then,
one thing
yeah.
I wanted to ask,
Mm,
to impersonate, we need the other people's credential to log in, right?
no need. No need to take other people credentials. Simply, you need to go. Okay. So you know who are the users in the service now. Okay.
Okay.
So just
Okay.
give that person name. Okay. So I created some users here. Okay. So where we can see users in the upcoming session we'll discuss. For example, I type batch evening. There is a one user. Okay. At least I know my customers. Okay. My tester
Mhm.
name. Just I need to type it. Click the impersonator user. No need to take his credentials. We are not
And
logging.
what if there are multiple users with the same name, then how will
No, no,
I
no. We
identify?
okay. So if multiple users have same name, okay. So then there is a primary key here. The ID is the primary. For example, multiple users are there here. Okay. If I search with my name, see multiple are there. Okay. Anil Kumar, Anil Dikund, Anil Test. So here there is a one user ID is the unique one. Okay. Like nothing but your employee ID. Employee ID might not be duplicate. Correct. So we need to confirm that one, which user we want to impersonate. Anyway, we are working with this person with closely in our team chat, regular chat. We know this user ID, employee ID. Yes. So name is duplicate, but employee ID might not be duplicated. So here ANI, Anil Kumar, Anil Test. So if I want to impersonate with Anil Test, yes, I can use this ID.
Okay, got it, Anil.
Yeah. So now I think you opened your instance. Okay. So there is another topic is plugin. Okay. So plugin means like, so we know in general we are using so many apps. Okay. Whenever any update is happened, any update is required, what you can do? You go to your Apple Store or Android, just update that app. That means we are updating some patch. Might be uh, we can see this update, frequent update on uh, banking applications, bank apps. If you are using ICICI, HDFC, every 6 months might be there is an update. Okay. So what we did, there is a update option we can see and we can update it. If you want to download any new application in your mobile, what you can do? Okay. For example, you are not using Swiggy. Okay. You are not using this app in your mobile. So in this case, what you can do, you need to go. Oh. Okay, Play Store. Okay, Play Store, and search for Swiggy app. Okay, so then you need to click install. Okay, then this application will install in your mobile, then you can utilize these services. Okay, that means before you install, you cannot utilize these services. Why? Because this app was not there. Same, plugins means if you want other products or software, okay, other products in your platform, okay, you need to you need to activate the plugin. Okay, need to activate the plugin. Okay, plugin is nothing but another product or another module. If you are open your environment, can you type case? Can you type case? Will you able to see this customer service? Please confirm once. Yes, you are able to see.
Yes.
Mithun, in your PDI, can you check type case? Can you find any record in your PDI as well as Vaishnavi? You also check once. So might be Mithun and Vaishnavi may not in their PDA they cannot see case. Why? Because by default ServiceNow they offered only ITSM product. If you want another module in your platform, if you want add on another module, we have multiple modules. Yes, we discussed the first day ITSM, CSM, HRSD, GRC. Okay, so these are the some other modules. If you want use that other modules in your platform, you need to go and activate that plugin. Every module, okay, in the platform in ServiceNow, I have one plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you can see those changes, that module you can see in your platform. For here, I can type plugin. So under system definition, we can see plugins. Okay. If I click plugin, so this will ask available for you, updates and installed. So I install these number of plugins. Okay. These are the applications are available. If I want any other, yes, I can utilize. Okay. So already I installed these number of applications on my platform. So for you, search customer service management. Okay, here search customer service management. Okay, click the search icon. Then you can see below the family plugin. Okay, customer service management. Okay, there you can click the install button, select it, then you can see click the install button. If anyone want to share your screen, okay, Mithun, if you, Andy, Vaishnav, if you have PDI, if you are opened, please share your screen. Already I installed so many applications. Okay, so you want to install one specific application. Okay, thanks Mithun. Yeah. Okay, go back. Okay, so in the new window, click new window, type
Okay.
developer.com, sign in. Start building. Enter your MFA.
Okay.
Verify. So do same. Okay, if you want to activate any plugin, okay, click all. Now type case. No. So customer service that you cannot see in the case in your platform. Okay. So we need to request the customer service management. There is another module, CSM module. For this type plugin, remove the case and type plugin. Yeah. No, plugin. Don't give space plugin. Yeah, first thing under system definition, plugin. So here's the search icon. Okay, search your licensed application and plugins. There you can type customer service management. Okay, some plugins are paid, some plugins are free. Okay, so if you want to activate the paid plugins, we need to pay the amount. Customer service. Okay, enter. it can find out. Scroll down. Once you search anything, scroll down. Yeah, scroll down. Scroll down. Yes. See here, ServiceNow products. Let's wait. I can take screenshot and paste it here for your references. Yeah. So select customer service management. Okay. So now here, wait. You click the install button. So now we are going to install only one plugin, but there is a dependency with another plugins. Once you install with CSM, all the dependent plugins also automatically activated. That means once you activate the parent one, all the child plugins also activated. You no need to do separate activation for the child plugins. Okay. So now you can see there are 21 plugins are there. These are the dependent with the CSM plugin. Okay. So now click the install. This will ask one question. Okay. Little bit scroll down. Yes. Load demo data. Wait here. Okay. I can. Okay. You need to click the load demo data. Then you will get some sample data. Okay. Load demo data and click proceed. Install now. Yes. Install. Okay. This might be taking 2 hours time, at least 1 hour 45 minutes to 2 hours. Okay. After that, you go and search in your application navigator the case under customer service. You can see case, my cases, uh, modules. Okay. So this is the way we can now activate any plugin in ServiceNow, which are free plugins, not the paid ones. Okay. So tomorrow we'll discuss about user administration. I thought today I want to discuss.
Should I keep it in download?
No, it can download it. Okay, just you can wait. Okay, 30 to 40 minutes. After that, you can go and check whether all are completed. Okay, see here you can see some options: updating schema, creating table. Okay, so it might be take minimum 40-30 minutes. Okay, after that you can see. Okay, any question on today's concept? Okay. If you have any question,
Uh,
please. Yeah.
so how many plugins are there in the service now this in this
Yeah.
platform?
So many. I count so many we have. Okay. So if you saw, like I installed almost 300, where 1,000 plus plugins are available.
Okay.
Yeah. Everything is dependent with the some plugin. If the functional is not working, okay, we are not able to achieve that means might be we need to check is there any plugin is there. We need to activate the plugin. Okay. So then we need to go and activate the plugin.
Okay. And do we get any update under the plugins? For example, here we see uh, included 21 there are sub
Yes,
plugins.
we'll get the
So
notification. Yes, this plugin was added in this product model. You can activate it. Okay, we need to go and check in the plugins available, updates, and installed. Okay, so in the updates you can click it. Okay, you can see the what are the latest plugins under which one. Once you can update it, all the patch also will update. Anyway, every version, okay, they are going to release 6 months, so they can inform this plugin we added. You can update it. Okay, we'll get the some notification, some message. Okay, based on that we can update it.
okay,
Okay, don't close. Once this is fully installed, then only you can close it. Okay, it might be take minimum 40 to 1 hour. Okay,
okay,
yeah. If no question, then we can wrap up. Tomorrow we'll discuss about user administration part.
okay, Anil. Thank you.
Thank you.